This is ConstructIT AI, which is an app for recording, visualizing, and predicting construction sales and costs. This is the interface of ConstructIT AI, where this is an active project dashboard, and you can scroll through the different projects and see all the costs related to them, the actual costs, the budgeted costs, and the predicted costs. These are the different cost charts that you can scroll through. There's one for material, labor, operating, and subcontractor. You can add a cost in real time and it'll show up on the chart. So we're going to add a materials cost for $1,200 for lumber. Cost was added. And you scroll over and you see lumber for $1,200. We're going to add a labor cost of $7,500 for weekly pay. Cost was added. Go to the labor cost chart, and weekly pay is there for $7,500. This is how you create a new project. You input the project name and the budget, the materials, labor, operating, and subcontractor budget, and the end date. And you can edit existing projects here. All the fields are pre-populated, and you can also delete a project. You can generate an invoice for a project by selecting the dates or selecting all dates. This creates an invoice PDF. On the invoice PDF is the company name and the different fields like descriptor, cost type, date, and amount for all the different entries, and it gives a total cost at the bottom here of $135,000. You can also generate a report of all the different charts for a given project. So this is the ConstructIT AI report for project Houston Avenue. The report for all costs is there. The report for the material costs is here. This is the report for the labor costs, for the operating costs, and for the subcontractor costs. You can view and manage a project schedule in the active project dashboard, so this is associated with the particular project. You can update the percent complete for tasks by dragging them. You can also drag an entire task to change the dates. You can drag part of a task to shorten it. You can add a task by entering a task name, dates, and a progress on the task. And you can edit existing tasks by selecting them and then viewing their details. And you can also delete a task here once you're completed with it. This is the predictive analytics, where you can unlock the power of prediction for your next project, where you enter the project square footage to instantly receive accurate predictions based on your historical data for construction costs, time to completion, and potential sales price. So we'll enter in 15,000, and it gives a predicted labor cost, material cost, operating cost, and subcontractor cost, and a total cost of $480,000. Time to completion is 75 days, and predicted sales price is $845,000. This is the completed projects chart, where all the completed projects go once they're done being an active project. You can download a CSV of all completed projects. And these are the visualizations of the completed projects, the sale and cost data over time. You can look at individual points. Cost data over time, you can turn on and off data sets to drill down into what you're interested in. The monthly profits over time, so this is accumulating all the profits based on the completed projects, and you can look at the individual points on the chart. This is square footage versus days of completion, where you can look at individual points, and it has a project like town circle, days of completion, and then square footage. And then so the different project types in the chart. In the database, pie graph of the project charts in the database. So that's ConstructIT AI in its current form.